Hi, everyone. Today we're diving into something you use every single day, the Internet. But have you ever stopped and wondered, where did it come from? And how does it actually work? Let's find out. The story of the Internet starts back in the 1960s during the Cold War. Scientists in the United States wanted a way to connect computers together, so information wouldn't be lost if one computer stopped working. That project was called ARPANET, and it was basically the very first version of the Internet. At first, only a few universities and the military used it, but it was the seed that grew into the Internet we know today. So, how does the Internet actually work? When you type in a website, like YouTube, your computer sends a request. But where does it go? When you click on a website, your request travels through your Wi-Fi or mobile data, jumps between routers and cables, and finally reaches the server that stores the site. Then the server sends the information right back to you. And when you upload something to the Internet, it's not in the sky. It's on someone else's computer in a data center. So the Internet is really a giant network of servers, cables, and routers that connects the whole planet. Your request travels through routers, which act like traffic lights, directing the data where it needs to go. But here's the cool part. The Internet isn't wireless in the sky. It mostly runs through undersea cables that stretch across oceans. Imagine giant fiber-optic cables carrying beams of light, zipping billions of messages every second between continents. And to find the right website, your computer asks something called a DNS server. You can think of DNS like a phone book. It translates the website name into the exact address of the server you're looking for. All this happens in less than a second. That's how you can watch videos, send memes, or play online games with friends across the globe. The very first email was sent in 1971, and it just said this, which was just fast test. It doesn't mean anything. About 5 billion people are connected to the Internet today. That's over half the planet. So, the Internet began as a military experiment, and now it connects the whole world. Next time you click a link or send a message, remember, you're part of one of the most amazing inventions in human history. Now I want to ask you, what's the one app or website you couldn't live without? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.